Hello everyone. Let's jump straight into a phrase you'll hear a lot but is often misunderstood. In professional terms, a PMO value proposition clearly explains the benefits a PMO delivers and why the organization should invest time, trust, and resources in it. Now, let me say that in very simple English. The PMO value proposition answers one honest question: why should anyone care about this PMO? If the PMO cannot answer that clearly, it will always struggle. You've probably seen this at the office. Someone asks, what does the PMO actually do for us? If the answer is vague, the PMO loses support very quickly. So the key takeaway here is this: the PMO value proposition is about clearly stating why the PMO matters. And once we understand that value must be clearly explained, the next natural question is, value for whom? Let's explore that together. From a professional point of view, the PMO value proposition must address the needs of its key stakeholders, including leadership, project teams, and the organization as a whole. Stay with me here. In simple words, value looks different to different people. Leaders want confidence and clarity. Project managers want support and guidance. Teams want less confusion. You've probably seen PMOs talk only in their own language: templates, processes, compliance. But stakeholders think in terms of problems and pain points. A strong value proposition speaks their language. I once saw a PMO stop saying, "We ensure governance," and start saying, "We help leaders make faster decisions." Same work, clearer value. So now that we understand that value depends on who you are talking to, the next step is understanding what kinds of value a PMO can actually deliver. Now let's talk about the nature of PMO value. Professionally, PMOs deliver value by improving consistency, reducing risk, increasing transparency, and enabling better decision making. Let me simplify that. A PMO creates value by making project work calmer, clearer, and more predictable. You have probably seen environments where every project feels like a surprise. Deadlines slip, budgets change, and leaders are always reacting. A PMO brings structure so fewer surprises happen. I once saw a PMO introduce simple visibility into project risks. Leadership didn't panic anymore because problems were visible early. That calm itself was value. So now that we see what PMO value looks like in practice, the next question becomes, how do we connect this value to business strategy? Let's break that down. From a professional standpoint, a strong PMO value proposition clearly links PMO outcomes to organizational strategy and business objectives. In simple words, the PMO must show how its work helps the business win. You've probably seen PMOs doing good work that still feels disconnected from strategy. That's not because the work is bad, it's because the connection is missing. I once saw a PMO explicitly link its reporting improvements to faster product launches. Leadership suddenly saw the PMO as a strategic partner, not a support function. So now that we understand how value must connect to strategy, the next logical step is understanding how the PMO proves this value over time. Now let's talk about demonstration. Professionally, a PMO value proposition must be supported by measurable outcomes and visible results. Let's break this down together. Saying we add value is not enough. The PMO must show it. You've probably seen PMOs working hard but still being questioned. That usually happens when the results are not visible or not communicated well. I once saw a PMO track how many issues were resolved earlier because of better reporting. That simple data helped leadership clearly see the PMO's impact. So now that we understand the importance of proving value, the final step is seeing how the PMO value proposition evolves as the organization changes. Let's bring everything together calmly and clearly. The PMO value proposition clearly explains who the PMO serves, what benefits it delivers, how it supports strategy, and why it deserves trust and investment. In simple words, the PMO value proposition is the PMO's promise to the organization. When that promise is clear and consistently delivered, the PMO gains credibility, influence, and long-term support. So now that you have mastered what the PMO value proposition is and why it matters, you are perfectly ready to move forward. We are going to discuss identifying key stakeholders in details in next chapter.